During repairs, a transformer must be de-energized and its oil must be drained. Transformer windings may accumulate moisture due to their hygroscopic properties. Dry compressed air is necessary to prevent moisture from entering the transformer. Globcore designed the Mojave unit precisely for this purpose. Today we present the new generation of Mojave units. Due to modernization, the unit is now fully automatic. Operation of the unit is managed by a controller. The meticulously detailed program algorithm prevents mistakes, eliminating the human factor. Operating the unit requires no significant training due to a simple and rugged design of controls, visualized on a plasma touch panel. The new Mojave is capable of working in field conditions, rain or shine. The unit is designed to dry and purify atmospheric air and to dehydrate sorbents. The machine ensures a dew point of -50 degrees Celsius or 223 degrees Kelvin. The dry filtered air from an adsorber and a particulate matter filter is pumped through the transformer tank, facilitating a flow of fresh air for the maintenance personnel inside and preventing the atmospheric moisture ingress to the transformer windings. While one of two adsorbers dehydrates air for the transformer, the other adsorber is being regenerated. Thus, the cycle of dry air supply is uninterrupted. High reliability of unit is ensured by high-quality components and protective cage. Many of the performance parameters may be upgraded on customer request. As one of the options, dew point may be lowered up to -60 degrees Celsius. The paint coat will preserve the exterior and appearance of the unit for its entire lifespan. For more information, please visit our website at www.globcore.com.